Butter, eggs, sugar, candied orange, a rich almond glaze and an unmistakable shape. The Easter duff bread is the symbol of Easter. Today we'll show you a quicker version instead of the traditional one, perfect for home baking. Let's start. Let's prepare the first dough. Stand mixer, pour the Manitoba flour, sugar and fresh yeast. Then the flavorings, orange zest, lemon zest and vanilla seeds. Start the mixer with the flat beater at low speed and slowly add the water. Once the dough has come together, switch the flat beater for the hook and work the dough for about 5 minutes. Finally, add the salt and work it for a few more minutes. Transfer the dough on a work surface, forming a ball, and leave it to mature at room temperature for about 2 hours. Here is the dough after 2 hours. Put it back in the mixer, add more Manitoba flour, start the hook at low speed, slowly pour the beaten eggs, the rum, then add the butter, one piece at a time, waiting for each one to be absorbed before putting the next. This phase is very delicate, it takes about 15 minutes. After the butter, add the candied fruit, the raisins soaked in orange juice, let it incorporate them well, and here we are. Transfer the dough onto the greased wok top. Grease your hands with butter and fold it like this. Put the dough back in the bowl, cover it and let it rise for 90 minutes. After rising, we can form the dove, always a greased work surface. Let's turn the dough out onto it and divide it with a cutter into 2 equal parts. Then work each piece this way to form a log. Place the logs on the dove mold, one on top of the other, and let them rise for about 2 hours or until it's 1 finger away from the top of the mold. Let's make the glaze. Blend together hazelnuts, almonds and cane sugar. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. Add cornstarch, Fioretto corn flour and egg whites and whisk it. The texture of the glaze must be creamy, not liquid. Pour it on the dough with a rubber spatula and decorate it with coarse sugar and whole almonds. I can bake the dough in a static oven at 160 degrees for 50 minutes, then for another 10 minutes covered with foil. And after all the kneading, rising and glazing, here is our Easter dough ready for the celebrations. I'll link down below the step-by-step recipe. If you like this video, leave a like and a comment. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel.
Bon appétit!